car's repair today for a charity dyno event, so I'm going to get some footage. Hopefully we'll put the Bronco on the dyno today and see what it does. It's completely stock other than a muffler change, so excited to see that. But fun stuff for a good cause. It's for a benefit for a friend of mine. All right, so we're here at Howler's. If you've never seen them, they've got an in-floor dyno. There's going to be a car show over here, which will be cool. There's a couple cars over here already. That's Randy's supercharged Hemi right there. All right, first truck on the dyno, got a Dodge. Gonna roll the rollers here. This guy's got a sweet hood stack, so that's cool. A bunch of torque and a weird graph. Alright, got the Bronco on here. Gonna make a rip. Just gonna do one pull. Alright, so we got a sweet Mustang on here. It's got a Pro Charger. Looks like a T1X, so that's cool. I don't know how much boost he's going to be running, but stock motor, stock trans from what he said. We got a couple more straps going on under here. They make big power, so we want to make sure we got it strapped down really good. 900. This thing's interesting. It's on stock headers. Basically a stock exhaust. Supercharged. I didn't catch how much boost, but it made over 900 horse. That's pretty good. Turbo too, it looks like. Alright, the other cool thing is this thing is straight up Sunday Cruiser interior. Pretty rad car, looks like original paint. This thing's sweet.
belongs to Randy Roberts. It's a really cool car. He built it, I don't know, probably 5-10 years ago. Super clean. Win some car shows and see how it does. Okay, Focus ST. Not sure what year. Okay. What's it gonna make? What's that?
I like I said that. 4?
4? Alright. I don't know what year this is, but small block, super clean. Alright, got a brand new Can-Am. It's tuned, stock otherwise. Got upper and lower control arms, rear control arms. This is DCT transmission in this, so whatever power it makes should put a lot of it down. All day. 616. Pretty consistent. 616. 09 G8. $364. $364. That's a good number. Even with the shift, it's still a clean run. You must have caught it before it shifted on the button. 264 and 360 something. Okay, this is a cool car. Original 5-liter Mustang. It's got SVE wheels. I don't know if it's legit, but it's only got 56,000 miles on it.